Just look at those ones. They're massive. Look at that thing. It's as big as my hand. It's unbelievable. My neighbour just got knocked in the head with one. It's amazing. It's so good. So we just had golf ball size hail come in. Freaking massive. So big. They're everywhere. Just so big. Look at that. It's like just massive. It's golf ball. How many golf balls do you want? Wow. Tastes so good. All of these cars got damaged. Crazy. All from these buggers. Look how big they are. It's still everywhere. Just gonna chuck it up and see how hard it lands. It's unreal. Just like a brick.